People often assume that trading is a reckless gamble. They see fluctuating charts and think it is a matter of luck. But in reality, successful trading is a disciplined profession that requires a specific set of rules. I know this transition is possible because I lived it. I started at 16, and by 24, I built a life where I don't have to worry about money. Today, I'm giving you the exact roadmap to that same financial independence. Adopting this structured, professional mindset is the single factor that decides whether you will lose your savings or build a lifelong financial skill. Before we look at a single chart, we have to address a hard truth. Trading does not generate money from nothing. It is a tool for multiplying the money you already have. The math is simple. 0 multiplied by any strategy is still 0. You need at least 20 to 30,000 rupees to begin. If you don't have that, pause this roadmap and focus on a freelance skill first. Attempting to start with 0 capital ignores how the market works and traps beginners in a cycle of immediate failure. Step 1 is market understanding. Think of this as your primary school phase, where you must learn foundational subjects before you can do the actual work. You can start this right now using the free 1.5-hour basics course I've linked in the description. Your technical milestone for this step is simple. You should be able to look at a market chart and understand its basic language. This means learning how to read a candlestick chart. These red and green shapes represent price movement over time, showing you exactly where the market opened and closed. Completing this phase ensures you aren't flying blind. It gives you the context you need to stay calm when you finally look at live financial data. Once the basics are clear, you move to step 2. This is like picking a college major, where your general knowledge becomes highly specialized. You must adopt a concrete trading strategy with rigid rules. You cannot rely on intuition or how you feel about a certain stock. Find a tested strategy and physically write down the exact rules for when you buy and when you sell. A written strategy is your only protection against emotional decisions. When real money is on the line, the rules keep you objective. Step 3 is pure observation. In this phase, you are watching the market with 0 financial risk. Your goal is to watch the market open and see your chosen strategy play out in real time without placing a single trade. You can use free daily live streams to watch a professional identify the exact setups you learned in the previous step. This is how you verify that the strategy actually works in current market conditions before you ever deposit your own money. This observation period is where theoretical rules meet the friction of the live market. You are training your eyes to spot setups in the noise before you risk a rupee. Now we finally reach step 4, execution. This is the high-pressure final boss of your entire trading journey. This is where most beginners fail. Even if they understand the strategy perfectly, they struggle to act when the moment arrives. We call this the execution trap. On paper, the setup is perfect, but psychology creates a fear filter. This is why users watch live signals but still lose money. Personal panic distorts trades, causing late entries or early exits. I lost 4 lakh rupees early in my career because I didn't have anyone to guide me through this specific execution phase. While some develop discipline through years of trial and error, many find success faster through guided action, like joining a live class or a community where a mentor can correct your mistakes in real time. When you consider the cost of preventable losses, investing in a guided community acts as a safeguard. It helps keep your capital intact while you learn to handle the pressure. That is the complete framework right here. Secure your capital, learn the basics, pick your strategy, observe live, and execute with guidance. Following this system turns you from an uninformed gambler into a professional who operates with a clear, repeatable plan. Your next step is in the description. Click the link for the free course and start step 1 today. Ultimately, adhering to this exact roadmap is exactly what transforms trading from a reckless gamble into a permanent, high-income skill.